I'm back with another video, and I hope you guys are fine and doing well in this pandemic time. So today I'm going to show you a very interesting project which is called hand gesture. And to be honest, this is a project that that can be created from anywhere. You can sit at home doing nothing and write some codes, write some lines, and there you have it. So without getting any due, let's get started. So first of all, I want to show you how can it work, how does it work actually. So if I go to my run module, yes, as you can see here, I have put my hand in the box, and these are showing different types of text. It's a little bit of fluctuating, I suppose. 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 fingers that are counting, and every finger is giving us different type of messages. So how can you do it? Well, let me just close that and close that. First of all, you need to import these libraries to execute the file. Then in the first section, which is capture frames from the camera, so what does it do? Oh, it counts our fingers from 0 to 5 and gives the various type of SMS, various type of messages that we want to show, and so on. After capturing the video, then I have created a function that defines the regions of interest. That is the green box that you guys have seen in the video. Then it converts then it converts the region of interest color from BGR to HSV. Okay, here as you can see, then it is defined the skin color. Then it is defined with a skin color in that it has to be converted in HSV also. So for the mask, anything our skin color will be 1 and none, and if there is no any skin color of our hand, that will be 0. The computer has my hand in white, and rest of the is black. So after that, then it is dilated and blurred the images to decrease the noise, as you can see here, background image noise. So after that, a contour. So what does it say? Contour. A contour is made to show anything on the region of interest. As you can see, if I run the program again, see, as you can see here, the green lines over my hand is the contour that I have created. And to control the maximum, oops, sorry, and to control the maximum area which is in my hand, I have to create a Gaussian blur and threshold. So after that, find contour for the maximum area, create bounding rectangle and the contour, which you have guys shown in the green box. So find a convex hull. What does it do actually? So it basically shows the green thing around the hand. That's it. So I have to define my ratio, define my area, define the contours. So ratio of the area, so that every unique area will be here have unique ratio. So As you can see, if I go up here, as I run the module again, so as you can see here, there are, it's a little bit of fluctuating. It can be improved in further. So as you can see here, what I have done, I have to create a unique area for different types of regions, so to create my maximum distances. So these red dots show the distances that I have created in the convex hull to show the ratio. And after that, we have to find the defects. We have to find the convexity defect, that is con that is the red dots that you have been seen so far. So in this video, in this project, you have to mention the angles, because as you can see, all of my fingers are less than 90 degree, so it has to be less than 90 degrees. So what I have done, I have created for 5 fingers, for 5 dots, and created a cosine rule. With the help of cosine rule, found the angle of defects. So if my angle is less than 90 degree, it will show red dots in between my fingers. So after that, I just need to display, so print the number of fingers, which is here. As you can see, I have created my own messages. You can do whatever you want, whatever you like to show. And lastly, we have to show the gesture, we have to show the contours, and press q press q to close the program, and that's it. So that's how you can create your own hand gesture program. I hope guys you will love it, and I will in future I will do some more videos on Python projects and many other projects. Make sure you see my other projects as well, so that I have uploaded, and wish you all the best to do it. So till then, thank you so much for watching this video, and stay well. Ta-ta.